Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So just finished with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi speech, and this is now he has announced for lockdown 4. Your all this notification you will get before 18th, I guess. But the major thing is 20 lakh crores package has been announced by PM Modi. It is in totality, because whatever package has been announced, and right now whatever additional package will be announced, it is the total figure, and it is near 10% of GDP, as he mentioned in his speech. So basically what can be expected in the market, if you see the SGX Nifty is around like 4% upside right now, trading around like 9,587. So it shoots near to the level of approximately 9658. You can notice here that level of SGX Nifty has been during the Prime Minister Narendra Modi speech has been seen a good upside rally. Even you can notice this fact in this also in investing, around like we are just 4% upside. So definitely the market will open gap up tomorrow, but right now the exact package detail is not announced. The FM will sooner or later will come out with package on different occasions, as he mentioned. So you will get definitely different packages on different sectors. So definitely with this news, already there is a 4% upside, but later on the basis of circumstances, whatever Mr. FM will announce, the rally will keep going up and down, means the market will go up and down. So basically what will be the situation tomorrow, as we already got an intimation in the last hour at least. You must be seeing the Nifty chart 1 hour. तो moves तो आया था बैंक निफ्टी में, you can see that, है ना. Even the बैंक निफ्टी had a good rally. So almost gap down जो था opening वो पूरा cover हो गया था, if you see. And even in Nifty also. So it was a good remark कि you cannot go with a overnight position on the short side. So most of the people who were carrying short positions because the market rallied and they feel कि यार कल वापस market नीचे आ जाएगा and will be booking that, so might got into a trap situation. So you should learn a lesson from that कि if your stop loss is hitting, you should be following it. Correct. You can definitely look for trailing. You can be flexible with your targets. Let's say जिसने long किया होगा position, you can be very flexible. If you can afford to take little more risk and you can afford to make some opportunity cost with your profit, let's say you are losing some part of your profits and you are risking that and carrying overnight positions, you might be definitely having a good outcome tomorrow morning. As expected right now, the market can open gap up. So what can be the agenda tomorrow? Basically we need to see how the market will open and how the 10-15 minutes ranges will be seen in the market. That would be a good decision for us. And on the daily chart right now, I will be also updating the post as I am doing. So right now what is the situation is Nifty is just below 20 days EMA, but having a good candlesticks which is showing some buying force. Next candle will always had a good confirmation basically, and this is a kind of we can look for this as a resistance area, and if it is going above then it would be good, and this low becomes very important. I feel 9043 becomes very important for coming days. Tomorrow will be positive, and how it will be opening and then throughout the day it will maintain or not, or it will move more upside, it will definitely be possible only when we will come will be following the market, because we cannot conclude that market will open and that it will go to upper circuit or it will just fill the gap and everything. We cannot conclude that. So following the market is very important. You should not be in a hurry to take any positions. Those who are thinking that I will be taking a long positions, you should never do that. You just wait for it. You get infinite opportunities, because what happens is when the market opens gap up and there are people who are in the FOMO, and what happens that people already who had taken a long position today might be booking the profits, and they start slightly a pullback is coming. Generally this kind of situation is happening. Let's say market is opening at this position, there is a gap up, and what happens is there are FOMO players who are thinking, but what happens is the people who went and booked profit yesterday, they might be booking profit, and sometimes the market go little downside and then started picking more upside. This can be a particular one situation, that is one possibility. Okay, may or may not happen tomorrow, but you can just afford to take such possibility in your mind, and you can utilize that opportunity if you are seeing it with confirmation of price action, technical analysis, whatever knowledge you are having, and whatever way you are trading there. So that's all for the day, and that is a good package announced by the Modi, but we should be thinking about the new announcements by the FM also, that which sectors will be affected and how it will be affecting our stock market, basically, since we are here to talk about the stock market. Thank you very much. Have a great time. Stay safe and stay healthy. We'll be making more such videos. If you are liking it, please subscribe to the channel. We are near to the 10,000 marks, so सब्सक्राइब कर लो, रेड बटन भी दबा लो, ठीक है. थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव अ गुड